natural athlete, the fastest 1:08.49. Laura Plata was 42nd in the time trial yesterday for Colombia. Pan American Junior champion in the C1. I talked about her yesterday, her involvement off the water, civil engineering program, New York University. Runs a STEM program for young Latino girls who are involved in that program. She's had over 900 of them through her workshops.
It's pretty impressive.
Yep.
Formerly a competitor for the USA. I think she's firmly in the Colombia camp now.
Lexi Rose from New Zealand underway at the top left. We concentrate on Plata, who's getting towards the bottom of the course. 3 more gates to go.
Plata absolutely fighting to the end. It's a bit of an exhausting course here, a challenging move right at the end, a sprint to the finish line. These athletes are giving it absolutely everything they've got.
So second fastest 1:25.76.